Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can rate anime in Crunchyroll. Well, Crunchyroll is a great place to watch anime, but if you want to leave a feedback, whether it is a positive feedback or negative feedback, you can do so by rating an anime. So leaving a positive feedback by giving 5 star to the anime will help both the creators and other viewers to decide on whether they have put in a good product, and for the viewer may help them to decide whether they want to watch a anime or not. Now, other things apart, let's start with how you can rate an anime in Crunchyroll. Just launch your Crunchyroll by going to a new tab in one of your browsers. Enter crunchyroll.com. Now you're inside Crunchyroll. It's time to log into your account if you have not already. Now, one thing to note that if you have not verified your account of Crunchyroll, you need to verify your account first in order to be able to rate an anime. So I hope you've done both the account creation and verifying your email address. Now after that, just click on this avatar icon. Now after that, let's say you want to rate this anime. Just go inside there, and there is a section where we can rate this anime. Rate 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Let's say I want to give it 5 star, saying I need to create a username. Username is same as the name. Okay, save. And now if you want to go and rate this 5 star, there you have it. It is already saved. If instead you want to see the feedback of others, this is average rating, and there is reviews section too. We can also go ahead and add a review and give feedback of this anime. Now you know how to rate an anime in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding rating an anime in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.